In a previous video, I tested this P290 Ryobi Quiet Strike impact driver, and it came up short when trying to put in this big lag right here. You guys said, or the guys on TikTok said, it was because of the battery, which was a 2 amp hour battery. So I was thinking to myself, okay, well, let's test that theory. Is it actually the battery, or is it the impact drivers not suited for that? So I have a 4 amp hour battery, and I also have the Mammoth 9 amp hour battery from Ryobi to see if this big old 9, which weighs as much as our moon, can get the job done. I'll be drilling 3 pilot holes in this 4x4 for the lags. The pilot hole is going to be 7/32. Fully charged 2 amp hour. Fully charged 4 amp hour. Fully charged 9 amp hour. It's no longer moving.